So I'm Ragland, uh, program head for all voluntary program, whether it is a short-term volunteering or long-term volunteering. I'm the program head for all volunteering program in India and promoting volunteers, networking with the partners, contacting with the international partners, and promote volunteerism. That's how my role is. Apart from that, I am also a management committee member where I involved in strategic planning for the organization, also implementation of COVID relief work. So that's how I am. As far as the organization is concerned, our vision is global youth for a sustainable future. However, post COVID, we are really working on a different way of thinking where people have personal responsibility, but they definitely need a platform to work. So we have developed a platform called Slack, that is Social Leaders Action Circle, where from the community of young people, women, elderly, anybody interested in supporting the common cause. So they will be part of that and they will support our voluntary program, whether it is a international voluntary program, whether it is a national voluntary program. So they will be part of that. They will mentor the volunteers. They will support the volunteers so that the outcome is increased and the impact will be at the higher level. So that is one thing that we have realized and we are doing that. That is number one. And as far as FSL is concerned, it's a 20-year-old organization. Uh, till 2020, we have received 14,000 international volunteers, and it's keep growing. And we also used to send Indian volunteers abroad. So far, we started this program called Outbound Program in 2012. Till 2019, I could say that more than 100 volunteers we have sent abroad for learning purposes. On the same way, when a Finnish volunteer comes learn in India, the same way we could send volunteer to different countries, both on STV and LTV program. So this is FSL India voluntary program. The second program is community development program, especially through corporate fund. There are many corporates in India who supports the social cause. So we approaches them with a social project and they support our program. It's called Integrated Community Development Program. For 10 years, we did this project in Chennai, in and around Hyundai factory, where around 10 villages got benefited. Even today, people can go and see the development. And in Bangalore, with the help of Bosch, that we are implementing the program for the poor children, government schools and their communities. So that is happening. We work with Samsung on creating smart schools for the children. It's still working on. And in Andhra Pradesh with the Kia Motors, we started working with schools and villages on community toilets and wash enhancements project for the school children. So we work with corporates also. And the third one is we also run our own projects, that is called Sea Turtle Conservation Project. We work in Kundapur in the west coast of India, where on a 60-kilometer stretch, uh, we work with fishermen community, sensitizing them on the importance of sea turtle, conserving sea turtle, and we run workshop for them. And we also have a tent school where the migrant children, the internal migrant children from different provinces of India travel across. They work near Kundapur, so their children they don't go to school. Instead, they are asked to look at the small babies. Even some children go for begging if the parents are very poor. So FSL runs a school for these kind of children on two places, and the objective of this school is enrolling them into the regular school. So children starting from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 10-year-old children who doesn't even gone to school come to this center and get educated. Third one is our training center where we create sustainable agriculture modules where the local farmers, the local youth come and getting to know the modules and they could implement in their farmland. So this is what we are doing. One is volunteering, the other one is community development, mainly education. Education and healthcare. Our community development project will mainly look into educational part and health and hygiene part. So this is how we are working. There is a board. There is a management committee which I am part of, which gives the strategical planning for the support and implementation staff to carry on the field. We also have partners in different states, 150 local partners, 150 plus local partners, where the volunteers are being placed. So we have a network. Annually, we run a workshop for them. We run a fellowship program for them so that they are nourished and on the vision for what the volunteer comes, what FSL is believing. So this is how FSL is all about. We are getting into 21 year now. So it's a privilege. It's really a privilege to receive international volunteers to implement the global cause. That is what I would say. Whatever affecting India may affect some other country in one way or the other. So the young people come and addressing the need is very much important.
Yes.